So we're going to be doing another live trading session. Power hour is coming up in about an hour and 20 minutes here. With that being said, going to be making a trade on SPY calls. So I'm going to explain to you why I'm going to be making this trade right here, right now. First things first, I'm going to get in on this before this potentially, starts to skyrocket, right? So, I'm going to get into this in just a second here. Let's take a look at the contracts, guys, and then I'll be going over, why I'm going to be in on this trade here. So let's see. All right, so I'm going to do a 769 call. All right, so 769 calls. Let's see. All right, so I'm in. So I'm in at 119 cents. 119 cents on 769 calls. Doing a SPY call here. So why calls? Why am I bullish? Why do I think we're going to overall just spike or get an overall bullish close? Either spike and drop. So as long as we don't go green to red, we'll be good. Or we just get a bullish close back towards the highs. Right, so let's get into this. Man. So in terms of the overall SPY, right? We're gonna go over this here in a minute. I think worst case scenario, the trade goes green and then it goes red. Best case scenario, we get a strong bullish close. We're gonna take this, one step at a time, using the systems that we have to manage our risk. But yeah. So I'm in on 769 SPY calls at 119 cents, now in terms of the SPY, right? So to me, it looks like the same pattern is happening, right? So if we go to the same pattern right here, give me 1 second, guys. I just want to make sure that everything is, okay, good. Everything's good. All right, so if we go to the same pattern, right? To me, this is what it looks like. Bearish down, trend reversal red, bearish down, trend reversal red. It bottoms in between the previous day's channel. It's bottoming in between the previous day's channel. Strong green bullish close. If it can just hold the 768s, is going to aim for a green bullish daily close, right? So looking at the daily chart pattern, we are getting a lot of signals that it's going to try to have a green bullish daily closing channel. In terms of the gap, there was a gap at 772.67. In terms of the highs, as you guys can see, the SPY here literally, partially closed that gap and had a reversal, right? So it did have a partial gap close reversal. I would say that's, the only one of the main disadvantages from a technical view is, SPY did have a reversal from the gap, right? But we still haven't filled the gap. It missed it by a little bit there, but it nearly filled and it's reversing. So this could close bearish. That's just the reality of the situation. It could. But I'm just seeing too many signals where I think calls is going to be the play, So I'm in on 769 calls, going to be holding those. So yeah, and we'll see how this closes. If it's going to close bullish, the lowest this can really go to is like 768.50. So for this to really work out and get a good deal on these contracts, we got to start to bottom around the 769s. If it goes to 768s, the contracts are going to get fucking wrecked, right? So we'll see. We're at plenty of break and retest levels. So, yeah, we'll see how this, works out here. But even looking at the 30-minute chart, I'm just getting so many signals that it wants to reverse. To me, it looks like it's doing the same thing that it did at market open. You know, we had this big green candle, some shop. It looks like it wants to squeeze back up again potentially. So we'll see how this plays out. And, you know, we got a very strong, in terms of some strong levels to keep our eyes on, you know, this level and this level. So, you know, my intent is to play this for a bullish close. It really needs, you know, for us to have gotten at a good price, it really needs to start picking up and holding. But yeah, you know, we have 2 hours to hold this trade. In terms of this overall trade, we're basically, you know, the risk is going to be 50 to 70%, just so you guys know. If it's an L, it's going to be a 50 to 75% drawdown. If it goes to like 668, there's basically no hope. So it needs to hold above 76850. 76850 is where we would need to hold to actually close bullish. If we go below that, like I said, bro, there's literally no hope for this overall trade. You know, it's not like it's a futures trade. This is an options trade. So we'll see, man. We will see. I mean, based off the chart, we could really start to reverse within the next hour is what I'm seeing on this overall pattern. You know, if we were to reverse, it would have to start to happen, I would say, past 230. So this could actually drop a little bit and then reverse, and then we get the crazy move. That's definitely a possibility. So the main thing that I would say about this overall trade is 2:30 p.m., it has to reverse. It's as simple as that. It's got to start reversing. If it can't start reversing around that time and the price is too low, it likely isn't going to work out. If we go to like 768, you know, within the next hour, it's likely not going to work out. But we'll see. You know, we're getting too many break and retest bullish confirmations, trend reversal signals. If we look at this is a very strong reversal signal. This is another reason why I decided to buy calls. You know, the way this dropped, this like slanted red, and then this right here, this caught my eye on the hourly chart. Basically, I think this is a very strong trend reversal candle right here, which could create the bottom to go back up to retest the highs. And I also think there's a magnet. You know, I think there's a magnet right here at 772, right? And I just remember historically in a situation like this, the market indeed spiked. So, yeah, you know, we're just going to try to hold this out. I mean, this can go to as high as 772. So we still got 2 more points of upside. But obviously the intent is to not go green to red as we're trying to capitalize on as much upside as we can. You know, we use systems to prevent us to go green to red. You know, obviously if this trade just goes red right now, I wouldn't count that as green to red because, bro, I'm looking to aim a little bit more. You know what I mean? I'm looking to aim a bit more, even though that's a nice little dub there. It's just when you have 2 points of upside with a bullish potential close, you know, in certain situations, you just have to go green to red, which is fine. If you're not up a lot. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Bro, off stream today, I literally bought the lows of this right here. I got, where was it? Right, yeah, I got in right here. Off stream, bro, I got in right here. And I capitalized on that breakout. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. They really pulled out the fuck you candles, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, we were shorting the market yesterday. Now we're just buying the market up. Bro, how are people going to do this on their own, bro? I just don't see it. How are they going to do it on their own without fucking guidance, bro? Like, fucking A, bro. We were shorting yesterday. Now we're buying the fucking lows. Oh my gosh, bro. It's getting too easy, man. You know, if people can't adapt, they're going to be broke for life. You know, if they can't go from shorting the market one day to then buying it the next day, they're never going to make it 100%. Like, either sit out or adapt. You know, part of adapting is just not even trading. There's levels to it. You know, some people choose to sit out, some people switch sides. You know, you guys know I sat out for a long period of time on the whole shorting. But sometimes I do both. Oh my gosh, bro. The Bears just got fucking trapped, dude. Well, you guys know the risk of holding, bro. Let's see. How much are the contracts up? Oh my gosh, bro. If you guys hold this, you can easily go green to red. Just so you know, bro. Just so you know. I'm holding it, you know. It's like, bro, if there's 2 points of upside and I have to go green to red, fuck it. You know what I mean? Obviously, the trade might not work. It could go down 70%. It could go green to red, right? But, bro, it's just the upside potential is just too big. So I'm going to take the risk. You guys don't have to. The contracts, let's see, they're up 33 cents. You know, the contracts are up 33 cents right now per contract. They hit 153 cents, right? So obviously, if we're aiming for a bigger move, you know, green to red is in the books. Obviously, right? So you guys do what you want. I'm gonna hold the trade. You know, I'm taking the risk, bro. I'm literally risking green to red. You know, it's like if the profit target is so high, you have to take the risk. You really do. Like, you know, otherwise you're just going to get profit stopped out because, bro, something, it can't just keep on going straight up. You know, it has to drop at some point. So if you guys want that bigger gain, you're going to have to take the risk, bro. And then this could be a situation where we go green to red. It never turns into a big win, and then we have an L. You know, so you guys do what you want. I'ma hold the trade. That was a nice gain, but bro, it's just the profit target is just so fucking big. So that's why I'm holding. You guys do what you want. You know, so someone probably took gains, someone probably held. People do different things. But yeah, we'll see, man. This is insane. You know, this is a crazy fucking market to be in. But man, there's just so much upside potential, you know? But we'll see. Oh my gosh, bro. So if you look at what they just did, these motherfuckers, they just try to lower high. You know, they're trying to do a lower high right there. Support, crack, lower high, break and retest bearish, right? Motherfuckers. So the bulls need to fucking, you know, do something or the trade's not gonna work. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, bro. What the fuck are you fucking dude? Bro, every time I hold the trade, it goes green to red. This is amazing, bro. I look at every stream I do. They always go green to red. Every fucking trade. This is insane. It's like they can never just go straight up to infinity, you know? Unless I sell it. Like fucking A, bro. Every time I hold something, it goes up and then it goes back to red. This is fucking crazy, man. And then people were telling me to trade futures too. Like, bro, this dude cooked. Fucking, oh my gosh, bro. Dude, those contracts were up 33 cents. 33 cents, bro. Every 100 contracts, that's a $3,300 gain. Bro. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, bro. I really am trying, you know? I'm trying to get the bigger gains, but like if my profit target is at 772, there's just no, you know, I have to hold that. Like if I'm aiming for 772, there's no way to really protect that. You know what I mean? It did go up 30 cents, but bro, it's like if I'm aiming for a $2, you know, there's not much I can do. I can just get out and try to get back in. Like fuck, damn, bro. This is fucking crazy. Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, this is insane, dude. We were literally just green as fuck. Man, bro, every time I hold something, it just does this bullshit. It's crazy, bro. The one time I don't hold, it just keeps on going. You know, I guess the answer is to just never hold. It's just to never go green to red. You know? Like fucking like every time, you know? I get in, it drops, it breaks out, and then it drops lower. Like you got to be fucking kidding me, dude. Are you fucking serious? Wow. Bro, this whole fucking trade just got cooked. Like, GG's. That is literally death. Wow. Man, this is fucked. I'm disappointed, bro. You know, I had better expectations than this, but I guess that's where I went wrong. You know, I should have just said fuck it, set a profit stop, but no, bro. No, bigger gains, bro. Wow, this is crazy, bro. It's like we can't have one mass. It's like this is crazy, bro. Every time I aim for a bigger win, it does this. Like it did, dude. It did the same shit yesterday. Yesterday I went short, bro. We went short right here. I went short. It dropped, and then it went right to fuck. Dude, this is like fucking man, fucking bro. I think I just can't hold, bro. Something is just glitched where I can't fucking, you know what I mean? If I'm green on a trade, it seems like the best course of action is to just fucking set a profit stop and sell into the moves, you know? I don't, I think holding green to red, it just never works. Every time I do this shit, it never works. This blows my fucking mind, bro. Every fucking time, bro. Every time. GG's, bro. The market is fucking cooked. Oh my god, bro. Fucking cooked. Fuck. Fucking cooked. Damn, bro. Fucking shit, dude. Oh my god, bro. I'm so disappointed. We fucking had it, bro. Just gave it all back. Fucking. Oh my god. Bro, are you guys bullish or bearish? Let's see. Who's bullish on this? You guys bullish or bearish? Well, you know, this is literally it, bro. This is make or break. But yeah, guys, this trade has gone full fucking degenerate. You know, if you want to cut it, you can consider cutting it. Otherwise, you're risking 60 to 70%. You know, it literally just spiked back towards our entry, and now they're just fucking it again. So, yeah. The most I'm willing to hold this is up until 3 p.m. You know, but bro, right now, shit is not looking good. I mean, this candle is going to be very indecisive, it looks like. So, we're in a difficult trade to be in right now. It's not, you know, it worked out. And then ever since this flipped red, this is getting tougher and tougher to bank on. You know, they're fucking trying to send this shit lower. So yeah. Bro, this is such a, man, to be green in this market, you just can't go green to red, bro. That's like the number one thing. I literally, I bought the dip, it fucking spiked like fucking, like, bro, these were big spikes, you know? Like, that was a big fucking spike. And then those were big fucking drops. Like, oh my gosh, bro. Bro, this is not looking good, bro. Like I said, if you guys are in this and you want to cut it, bro, you can cut it. This shit is not looking good, bro. It's motherfuckers, bro. They formed the fucking lower high. They're trying to do this fucking lower high sell-off. They're making it harder and harder for this to reverse, you know? The problem was this fucking red bearish wick. That was the fucking problem. It was looking perfect. And it switched, you know? The trend fucking switched. Oh my gosh, bro. It's fucking annoying, bro. Bro, I might just make the decision to just never go green to red. Because this is just so annoying. You know, just holding this shit, aiming for bigger wins. It's like, bro, the amount of times I go green to red, it's ridiculous. It really, like, it's ridiculous, man. You know? It's just not for, it used to work so fucking well, but now when I do it, it's just not fucking working as well, you know? So I guess I just gotta adapt. It'd be pretty simple to just use the strategy where I just never go green to red, you know? It's just getting more complex with the whole green to red situation. It's these options are decaying too. That's what's really fucking annoying. It's not even that the price dropped, it's the fucking decay, bro. It's like literally one move like that and they get fucking clipped. You know what I mean? It's just so fucking annoying. So yeah, man. I think we're gonna make the decision to just never go green to red, bro. Because this trade was up 33 cents. You know? Like, fuck. This shit, dude, SPY went from, that was a nice, this spiked a whole dollar, bro. It just happened so fucking fast. Well, if we can bottom here, they still have a shot. If not, bro, they're fucked. Like, if we start going below, if we start going into the 7-7, if we start going into 7-6-8-50, dude, the bulls are fucked. There's no hopes. They're done. So, to get some crazy reversal, this shit has got to start bottoming, bro. This 30-minute candle is degenerate. I think the next one, there's going to be a lot of certainty. Whether this is going to go back to the highs or back to the lows. So, I think we're going to have a lot of certainty coming in, you know, after 2:30. Right now, this is just degenerate. It's trying to favor the bears. It really is. Like, this looks horrific, guys. It really does. This looks absolutely horrible for the bulls right now. It is not looking so hot. I would say next 30 minutes will 100% know. But bro, this shit, like, it was confirmed to an extent, but this 2 to 2:30 window is definitely indecisive. But this is fucked. This is so fucked. It looks so perfect. See, bro, dude, if this starts going under this, they're gonna flush it, bro. I might just cut it. I might not even hold it till 7-7-6-8-50, because, bro, with the patterns that I'm seeing, if they just start, you know, they just start, you know what I mean? It's probably going to get ugly if they start doing that. So, bro, they're really trying to, oh my gosh, dude, so fucking annoying, bro. Gosh, what the fuck happened? This was reversing all day. Of course, the one time I get in, it's the fucking last time it reverses. It spikes one more time, and now it's just flush mode, fucking bearish mode. Of course. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is looking horrible, bro. This is not looking so good right now. We got 10 minutes until this closes. Okay. If we could just hold the level, we'll be good. Bro, if we could just hold the level, we'll be good. We'll be good. If we can just hold, it's gonna print. But if not, dude, fuck, the calls are gonna get wiped off the fucking planet. If we start going below this, there's no hopes. I don't see a crazy reversal for the bulls. If we start going, bro, these motherfuckers have got to start ripping this shit up, bro. Dude, SPY's on a fucking thread. If it holds, this is the exact lows. If it starts to go under, new lows, bearish. That's how I see it, bro. So, the bulls and the bears are on some thin fucking ice here. You know, this is literally make or break, dude. This is like a fucking tripwire. Like, this is insane. This is fucking insane, bro. It's tough. It is tough, bro. It's tough right now because I just know if we start to go below this, it's probably game over for the bulls. So, these motherfuckers need to start fucking breaking out, bro, because we cannot... If we start going below this line, it's not looking good. But, dude, if we can just bottom here, it's gonna ramp higher. It's gonna ramp higher. So we're still in this, man, but all it takes is one little drop, bro, and I'm probably just gonna cut this, bro. That's all it takes, you know? The same thing that they did here, they made it look good here, and then just one little drop, bro. If they do that again, oh my gosh, dude. What a fucking frustrating trade, man. I was literally green on this. Like, motherfuckers, bro. We had such a big fucking spike. I could have just walked away, taken a... No, we need the 772. No, 7-7-15. That's not enough. Fucking hell, bro. Fucking wins are better than fucking L's. Like, fucking shit. Well, since we held the trade and went green to red, now we're just sitting in the most degenerate fucking spot I've ever seen for the day. It does not get more degenerate than what I'm in right now. You know, this actually went from a good trade, but now this is like, oh my gosh, dude. This is like hanging on a fucking thread. This is brutal right now, you know? It's not making it easy for the Bears or for the Bulls. They're just fucking chopping this shit. You know? I think both sides are fucking... I don't think any side is confident right now. If we could start breaking out, I'll have a lot of confidence for the Bulls. But dude, this shit is still not breaking out. Like, we got 7 minutes. Motherfucker, bro. Dude, these motherfuckers don't want us to win, bro. It's just too close. It's just too close to the stop out. You know what I mean? It's just too close to, like, the max pain is, like, right. That's the absolute most I'll risk is right there. You know? It's just too fucking close. That's the problem, bro. And these motherfuckers, they just can't break it out anymore. You know? The price action, when it was doing this... it just disappeared. It's not doing that anymore. Motherfuckers, bro. Damn, dude. They are fucking both sides right. Oh my gosh, bro. What a fucking disappointing trade, bro. Damn. This is like... this looks horrible. This does not look good, dude. You know? Like, look at how trash... this looks like trash. Bro. Damn, bro. Guys, the market is at make or break, dude. If this 5 minutes can close bullish, we should finally break out. If not, dude, the Bulls are in fucking trouble. I think this 5 minute candle is really going to help determine where this is headed. With the 30-minute close, you know? So we'll see, but oh my gosh. This has been the most degenerate price action I've seen in them. Oh, things are starting. Okay, the frequency's starting to go bullish again. I'm starting to feel the bullishness, but it has to close this bullish. Bro, if they just slam this down like they did here, dude, calls are fucked. There's no hope if they do that again. If this happens again, the Bulls are fucked. But if the opposite happens and they start breaking this out, dude, I think the Bears are fucked. I might actually add to the trade. I might actually, if they can slam this up here, I might actually add to this. You know? So I think we're getting somewhere in terms of, you know, who's going to be in control of this trade, the Bulls or the Bears. I think we're getting close. Like I told you guys, like 2:30, bro. 2:30 to 3, we should know in between that window 100%. You know, with the most maximum certainty and confirmation. It's definitely coming up. Like, I would say another big trade is setting up. You know, I'm still holding calls, but in terms of another trade, I would definitely say another big trade here is setting up. You know, if they slam it up, I'm bullish. If they slam it down, it's bearish. And, you know, you guys can consider puts if you want at these shitty levels to buy puts. But, bro, if they can just start popping this off, oh my God. Dude, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Bro, what the fuck are they doing on the 1 minute, right? Oh my God. Bro, it's gotta be bullish. Nah, bro, that's gotta be bullish. I'm looking, it's the scribble scrabble. I remember this pattern, bro. This actually is looking good. I think we're right. I think we'll be good. You know, in the calls, we didn't go far out of the money and we're still close to our entry. So we got somewhat of a good deal. I mean, fuck, they went up 30 cents. So, bro, I think we're good. Yeah, bro. Nah, bro, I think we're good. Dude, I'm making another trade, bro. Fuck it. I remember the scribble scrabble. I'm going to make another trade here, bro. Fuck it, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. 770 calls are only fucking 37 cents. Bro, if you guys want to do a YOLO, you can consider those, bro. The 770s, they're only fucking 37 cents, dude. Another trade is getting ready to set up, bro. Look, it's either futures or calls. You guys make your move. I'm already in 769 calls. You know, so if I'm gonna make another trade, I could do the futures or I can do the 770 YOLO. You know, those are so fucking cheap, but bro, one little move, they're gonna get clapped. I'm gonna give it a minute. I'm gonna give this a minute, bro. I'm gonna give this we'll give it a minute or two, but I like what I'm seeing, you know? Let's see, am I gonna do futures or 770 calls? Bro, I might just say fuck it and do the 770 calls, you know? We have an hour, we have 90 minutes, they're not that far out of the money, you know? They're cheap as fuck, fuck it. I might just do those. Damn, they're 34 cents now, bro. Bro, I'm doing those. 770 calls. I'm in at 37 cents. 37 cents, 770 calls. Bro, I'm in 2 fucking strikes. Oh my gosh. So guys, remember, the last time I bought calls, bro, this went green to red. So if these go in the money, bro, I'm just saying, bro. If they go in the money, just saying, bro. So I'm in on 2 trades, bro. Dude, they're just too cheap. They're only 43 cents out of the money, and they're at 37 cents. This is reminding me of the trade I made earlier today off stream. Off stream right here, I bought a 771 call when it was barely out of the money, and this shit was so fucking cheap. It was cheap as fuck. And it went fucking crazy, bro. It went fucking crazy. This move right here, as soon as it went in the money, SPY spiked a fucking dollar, went fucking crazy. You know, and I'm sitting here saying, bro, if this starts to reverse, those fucking calls are going to go fucking berserk. They were at 30 fucking cents. They can go straight to fucking 90 cents, bro. The fuck? So fuck the futures. That's why I don't just do futures. Because, dude, that was a high probability opportunity. Fucking 30 cents, this can go straight to 100. You know, this isn't yesterday, guys. We adapt. If you want to be green every day, you got to adapt. So like I said, bro, last time I was in calls, they went green to red. Anything can happen, bro. The calls are up a fuck ton now. All right? They can just keep on going up. We could be right about 772 or shit hits the fan, 2 L's. You guys know the risk of holding. You guys know the risk of going green to red. Bro, you guys just need to understand. Options decay, there's not a lot of time. If they go green to red, they're going to go down 50 to 70%. All right? So you guys manage the trades, bro. I'm still holding. You guys can manage the trades, bro. You guys do you, bro. I'm green as fuck on this call. I can go straight back down, dude. This could be the exact top. The same thing that literally just happened could happen again. It really could. You know? You guys do what you want to do, bro. Do what you want to do. You know? You could take profits, and then you could switch to puts and go short. You could do whatever the fuck you guys want to do. I'm still holding, bro. You know? It is what it is, bro. It's like, dude, I want a little bit more than that. You know what I mean? I just got in. The fuck? I don't need more, but fuck, bro. I got a 772 profit target. I want a little bit more. If these trades just keep going green to red, then, dude, I'm just going to have to, you know what I mean? Just never aim big. You know? I'm trying my best here. This shit is not fucking easy, bro. Every time I enter a fucking trade, it goes up a fuck ton, and then it goes back to red. Every fucking time. You know? So to an extent, I definitely have to take profits at some point. You know? To the shit that we've experienced, it makes sense to trim some here with how fucking degenerate this has been. Dude, they're at 47 cents. They're at 48 cents, bro. Fuck. Are we going to give all that back? That's a big percentage gain. Fucking shit, bro. Guys, if you hold this, you're risking all of that. You're risking all of that, bro. All of it's gone. If you hold this, you're risking that. This just went from fucking 37 cents to 48 cents. It's fucking crazy, bro. These motherfuckers don't want to pay. They don't want to fucking pay out. Bro, every fucking trade out. What the fuck? What is good, bro? Every trade I enter, it does the same fucking thing. What the fuck is good? You fucking kidding me, dude? Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. You gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. Man, timing is so important in options because, dude, within the blink of an eye, something goes up a fuck ton, and then you blink one more, and then boom, blink once more, all the profit gone. Every fucking time, bro. That's why timing fucking matters with options. Because, dude, within the blink of an eye, it just wipes all the fucking... This is obscene, bro. This is fucking obscene, man. These are good trades. Like, what the fuck is good? It's not like these are some shit... Obviously, we hold them. These can turn into horrific shit trades. Damn, bro. I'm fucking pissed, bro. These motherfuckers don't want to pay. Like, what the fuck? You know? Fucking pay, bro. Where's the fucking money? Show me the money. This is fucking bullshit. Alright, guys, look. This 30-minute candle is going to determine it all, bro. Next 30 minutes, the market is going to literally show the true colors. It's either going to be bullish or bearish. I'm still in on calls, bro. You know? Oh, my gosh, bro. Calls are in the money. Calls are in the money. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Bro, dude, if we keep holding this, we're risking it all, bro. We're literally risking all the profit. That could be the exact peak. You know what I mean, bro? That's a big-ass spike. The market's being generous. It's being generous, guys. If you want, you can trim some here. If you want to trim, you could trim some. Bro, they're at 53 cents. I paid 37 cents, bro. If we hold, they can go to 100. If we're wrong, they can go straight to 0. You know what I mean, bro? Bro, this is obscene. These are some nice percentage gains, man. Like, fuck, this is fucking obscene. Oh my gosh, dude. They just went out of the money. They just went from in the money to out of the money. These motherfuckers don't want to pay. They know I have a system to manage my risk. They're like, bro, we're going to make sure he sells with his system before this goes higher. And then sometimes they just sprint it lower. It's fucked. Bro, this is so fucking cooked, bro. It's like there's no way. It's like I either have to take the gain or hold the trade. There's no in between. You know what I mean? They're going to profit stop me out every fucking time. This is so degenerate. These motherfuckers don't want to pay with the system that I'm using. They're literally saying you have to hold the trade. That's what they're literally saying. They're saying if you don't hold the trade, well, you're going to get stopped out. You're going to get profit stopped out. Motherfuckers, bro. They don't want to pay. These fucking assholes, dude. Motherfuckers, bro. This is fucking ridiculous, dude. This is fucking ridiculous. Wow. Dude, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Fucking assholes, bro. Wow. This is fucking obscene. This is obscene, bro. These motherfuckers really don't want to pay. They want me to either sell for the win, you know, and then I'll risk bigger gains, or it will just go fucking red, and all the gains will be gone, and I'll be happy that I fucking sold. It's like they're not allowing me to hold the trade to an extent. These motherfuckers are not paying out. These fucking assholes. Fucking bullshit fucking market, bro. It's fucking bullshit market, bro. Well, you guys see how degenerate this is, you know? So if you set a profit stop, you're going to get profit stopped out. It's going to protect your gains. This could be an L. This can be a W. It's already a fucking W, you know? It's fucking degenerate market. It doesn't want to have... It just doesn't want to go up, bro. It just fucking consolidates, fucks, chops, down, up. It doesn't want to pay. It's, oh my... Dude, fucking L market, bro. Can this just spike? Are you fucking kidding me? Really, we're going to go green to red if it doesn't see... Are you fucking kidding me, dude? I'm trying my best to manage this. I'm like, this fucking thing. What am I managing? This fucking degenerate fucking price? Fucking hell, bro. Fucking go up. Motherfucker, go up. 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 Dude, if you guys are holding this, you're risking all the gains, bro. It's either you sell or you hold. Pick your fucking, you know? Pick your choice, bro. You either sell or you hold. There's nothing else to do, bro. Look at how it's trading. You either sell or you hold, bro. It's the... Motherfuckers, wipe the gains, bro. Just wipe it all. Yeah, wipe all the fucking assholes, bro. Fucking assholes. Guys, the market's degenerate. You either sell, take the gain, or you hold, take the risk. Fucking degenerate market, bro. It doesn't want me. It's so stupid, bro. Such a degenerate market. Such a fucking. It's like, no, it can't just go up like it was doing earlier. No, it has to just chop and fuck all the gains. Yeah, bro. Just chop and fuck all the gains. These fucking assholes, bro. They're just making it where someone has to hold if they want bigger gains. They can't protect their profit. They gotta risk all the profit. That's why it's just so degenerate. So guys, if you're holding, you're risking it all. If you're holding the trade, you're risking everything, bro. There's nothing to manage. It's up and down, big spike, there's nothing to manage, dude. The market went full fucking degenerate. It's out of my control. If you're in the trade, you're holding. If you hold, you either get more green or you go green to red. It's degenerate, bro. This is the most degenerate shit I've ever fucking seen. Fucking hell. Oh my gosh, bro. These fucking assholes, dude. Bunch of fucking assholes. Okay, now it's gonna spike. Bro, if this doesn't break out here, then fuck, dude, I might as well just never hold again. If this shit doesn't break out here, I might as well just sell all my trades. I might as well just sell them all too soon, and then sometimes I'll be glad that I sold too soon, because this degenerate fucking market turns winners into losers 24/7 with options. Holy shit, bro. If this doesn't break out, bro, I might as well just sell every trade. I really might as well just sell every trade. This is fucking degenerate. Like, you gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. They can't give us a smooth ride. No, they gotta give us a green to red. Fucking assholes, bro. You gotta go green to red to win more. And then sometimes it's just gonna be a fucking degenerate market, bro. They can't just give us a smooth trade. No, they gotta give us a fucking green to red situation. A bunch of fucking assholes, bro. Fucking A, bro. I'm trying my best, man. This shit is not easy, dude. Fucking, sometimes I hold a trade. If it goes green to red, it's a fucking L. Sometimes I hold it green to red, it's a fucking dub. It's like, bro, this is so fucking like, come on. The fuck? This is decaying. Move your fucking price. Holy shit, bro. Bro, the market is fucking cooked. L fucking market, L fucking day, bro. This is so... All it needs is one little spike. This trade goes up 200%. Like, these motherfuckers, bro. Like, take your fucking time. Fuck. Peak fucking degenerate, bro. You guys see how hard it is to hold, because it's like, bro, if you're holding into Deegan price action, you go green to red. That's why it's so fucking trash. If the price action was good, like it was earlier, it just went straight the fuck up. There was no red candles. There would be no fucking complaints. But I just see how degenerate this is, and I'm like, dude, if I hold this, I really have to risk it. I have to risk all this profit if I choose to hold this. It's either going to go straight up or straight down. These fucking degenerates are just chopping and fucking decaying it. It's like there's nothing for me to fucking control or manage. I either fucking hold it or not. Fucking degenerate fucking price. If this doesn't break out, bro, GG's. Like, this shit looks bullish as fuck right now. Fucking GG's, bro. Fucking bullshit fucking market. What the hell did this just put me through? I might as well just hold this motherfucking shit. Fuck. Fucking degenerate. You see what you have to go through, guys? To fucking, you know what I mean? Green to red. Fucking trash, bro. Holy shit, man. These motherfuckers don't want to pay any fucking one, bro. Fucking hell, bro. Fucking out of the money again. Out of the money again, dude. You fucking kidding me? Fuck. Bro. These motherfuckers, bro. Fucking hell, bro. The contracts are worth less. The price went higher. Bro, these fucking people don't want to pay, man. Fucking assholes, bro. Shit was good all day, bro. Fucking price was good the whole fucking day. The shit was going straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. Oh, now it's just fucking degenerate. Now it just goes fucking chop. Big, dude, look at how degenerate this shit looks, bro. Who the fuck is making profit in this? You see how fucking degenerate this chart looks? Look at this, bro. Imagine holding this degenerate chart. Fucking hell. I'm holding a fucking... Man. These fucking assholes don't want to pay, bro. These fucking cunts. Man, so much for a smooth fucking ride, bro. Like I said, guys, you either sell it all and stay fucking green, or you hold this shit and it goes up or it evaporates into fucking zero, bro. These fucking assholes, I can't even manage the trade. I'm in a trade, they're forcing me to sell. They're fucking assholes. They're literally trying to force me, they're either trying to force me to sell, or you just hold it. It's either a bigger green trade or a fucking L. Fucking cunts. I can't even fucking, you know what I mean? Bunch of fucking Deegans, bro. Yeah, and it's not so easy anymore that we're just, we're not just going straight up anymore, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, just hold the trade, set the profit stop. Nope, you set a profit stop now, you're going to get profit stopped out like that. You set a profit stop now, you're going to get profit stopped out. And then it's just going to either spike or crash. So, like I said, guys, if you want to take the risk of turning green trades into red, you could take the risk, bro. I'm still in, dude. I'm still in. This is so fucking degenerate, bro. Oh my fucking gosh, bro. This is so degenerate. It's like fucking hell. This is the most degenerate shit I've ever seen in my fucking, dude, they're literally forcing people to just hold trades. These fucking assholes, bro. They literally force people to hold trades. I'm like, fucking hell, bro. So fucking degenerate, man. This is the most degenerate shit that I've ever fucking seen in fucking history, bro. Dude, if both of these trades finish red, I don't think I'm ever going to go green to red again, bro. It's just happening too many times. Too many fucking trades. Every time I make a trade, this shit goes up 20, 30%, and then it just goes red. I'm sitting here saying, bro, is the 100% gain even worth it? Fuck. Every fucking time, bro. I enter a trade, bro. It's like fucking, I feel like 70% of the time, it's just fucking shit fucking price. 30% of the time, it's a smooth ride. I'm just going to have to win bigger in these smooth rides. It's pretty clear to see this is not a smooth ride. You either take the L or you try to, you know what I mean? This is not a smooth ride. You either get out or you take the risk of holding. The risk of holding is all the gains. It's so degenerate, bro. When something just goes straight up like this, you buy, it goes up, you can hold it without risking all your gains. The problem is, this degenerate fucking shit, whenever it has a big fucking spike, it just goes right back fucking down, green to red, and then it goes up, and then it just chops, and it decays, and it fucks everyone. Fucking assholes, bro. My gosh, bro. Dude, I'm getting to that point as a trader, I just might never hold green to red anymore, bro. I just might never do it. I might never go green to red again, bro. I'm just going to have to say this is degenerate and cut the trade. This is so, you know what I mean? Gains is gains. These motherfuckers, all they do, they fucking all my trades, bro. Yesterday I had to trade futures. Every fucking trade I enter, they fuck it. They fuck every fucking, when the price is shit. When we're just going straight up, and it seems like a lot more of the trades, they're this fucking degenerate action rather than more just fucking straight up, A lot of my trades, bro, it just seems like when the price action just switches and goes full Deegan, it seems like they just don't work. They don't fucking work. It's so fucking frustrating. They work, and then they just stop working. The decay comes in, the chop comes in, and then a lot of the times the big move is the other way. It's the wrong fucking side. So this is just pissing me off, bro. I think I've just had it up here. I'm looking at our trade went from 37 cents to 53 cents. This is red now. This one went from 119 to 153. This is red now. It's like, dude, how many fucking times is this gonna happen? Fucking, man, bro, this is just such a L fucking mark, bro. I can't do this shit, bro. I'm gonna have to take gains 24-7, bro. I do not have the stomach for this bullshit, bro. I'm literally looking at my account. I'm saying, bro, this is just fuck the fluctuation. I could just take the gains, bro. Every time I enter a trade, this shit goes green. Every fucking time. I would never be red if I just take the gains, bro. These assholes never want to give me bigger fucking gains. Every fucking trade I'm fucking making, bro, they flip this shit sideways, fuck it. These motherfuckers never want to, it's like, bro, every fucking time I'm entering a trade, these assholes never want to give me a bigger move. So I'm like, fuck it, bro. I'm just going to have to take the gains, dude. This is so degenerate. I feel like I'm just re-entering a trade nonstop that's going green to red. I'm sitting here saying, bro, I could have just taken gains. This shit is pissing me to fuck off, man. Everybody wants to be right about a big move. I'm like, dude, we could have just taken the gains. Fucking, suppose we're wrong about the big move and we had gains before. Then we get fucking nothing. All we get is red. Fucking hell, bro. This shit is decaying.
I'm holding something that's fucking decaying, bro. Dude, this is pissing me the fuck off, bro. Literally every trade I enter, it flips. Every fucking trade. I'm sitting here saying, bro, I think this, instead of, I think I just gotta never go green to red. I think that's the solution. Just never go green. Take what the market gives me. Never go green to red. I think that's where I'm at. Because, dude, I've had it up to here. I enter a trade. Everything looks good. This looked perfect, bro. This right here, this looks perfect. This looks so fucking bullish right here. Everything was looking good, and then they killed it again. They fucking killed it again. It's like, bro, the longer I hold, the more I get fucked. Like, holy shit. These fucking assholes, they don't want to give me one fucking... They don't want to send this shit to they don't want to do it. So I'm like, fuck it, bro. I'm just going to have to take what they give me. Otherwise, I'm going to be fucking red. Like, fucking hell, bro. These fucking assholes, they do not want to keep it going. They're like, he's green, fucking turn it red again. These fucking degenerates. Fucking hell, bro. If I just optimized to never go green to red, I don't think I would ever be red. Every fucking trade goes green. Every fucking one of them, bro. They did the same shit yesterday. The same fucking shit. Dude, I went short right here. It fucking flew off a cliff, hit fucking lows, and then it went right back up, and then it went right back down. What is the fucking point? For something, it goes right back up, and then it goes right back down. It barely even went lower. What was the fucking point of holding that shit? Fuck, man, this holding shit is fucking my flow. Every fucking trade, I'm sitting here saying, bro, some of the trades, they just go straight up. A fuck ton of other trades, they go up, and then they crash right back down. Shit is pissing me the fuck off, dude. Like, fucking hell. I think when price action looks good, I think we're just going to set the profit stops and ride it. But, bro, when it's shit like this, I think I'm just getting to the point where I'm just going to refuse to go green to red. I think I'm just going to have to sell it and miss out. Miss out on a big win or a bigger fucking L. It's not going to work all the time. Like, fuck, because I'm just tired of this shit, bro. I'm fucking tired of this. I'm fucking tired of fucking holding something that's decaying and I'm going green to red. Dude, I think I'd rather have the smaller W than go green to red. I'm just sick and fucking... Sometimes the trades go green to red. Sometimes they go up more green. Sometimes they're bigger L's, sometimes they're bigger W. Like, bro, I'm just sick and fucking tired of this shit. I'm fucking tired of this fucking trash. Like, fuck, bro, I'm putting size into my trades. It's like I'm not putting virtually fucking nothing and saying, all right, guys, we're gonna win big because 200% win. Like, bro, I'm putting in some fucking size. This is fucking degenerate as fuck. I'm sitting here saying, bro, I was just up fucking 30%. Now I'm risking it all. Now I could be down 60%. Plus I was up 30%. It's like about 90 fucking percent. Fucking trash, bro. Shit is pissing me off, bro. Dude, I think I'm just getting to the point where I can't go green to red anymore, bro. I'm just gonna have to see the market for what it is. Sometimes things go good and then they go shit. And we get profit stopped out. Sometimes things just keep going good and we never get profit stopped out, But to sit here and to hold this, I'm sitting here saying, dude, this trade was green as fuck. Now it's red. And now not only am I risking all that profit, but I'm risking more of a fucking L. Like, this is just frustrating, man. I think when price action just gets shit, I'm just going to have to take what the market gives me and then just wait for the next trade, bro. Like, there has to be some sort of, like, fucking resolution of what the fuck I'm gonna do. Because this is just so annoying, Like, to try to do different things all the time versus just doing one thing. Like, when price is good, set the profit stop, move it higher. When price is shit, just get the fuck out and take the gain, Price is clearly shit. I could have just set a profit stop or taken a gain. Like, this holding shit is fucking me up, dude. Every time I fucking hold, it decays. A lot of the times I'm wrong about the bigger move. Sometimes the big move doesn't happen. Sometimes it happens, but the contracts get so decayed. Bro, it seems like the bigger move is just fucking everything up. It really is. This shit is pissing me the fuck off, bro. Think of all of the probabilities. Like, bro, I'm just about to get out. Like, I'm sick and fucking tired of this shit, bro. I'm just gonna have to, yeah, bro, fuck it. I think I'm just gonna get out of here. Let's look at the 30. Fucking, bro, this is so fucking frustrating. It looks bullish. Motherfuckers. But they're decaying and fucking everything so fucking badly. It's like, you literally have to risk everything. You have to risk every fucking thing you put into the fucking contract for the bigger move. There is no managing the risks. The only risk you can manage is what you put into the trade. That's it. They fucked everything. It's fucking assholes. They're making it to where someone has to lose big, percentage-wise. Fucking assholes. Fucking both sides supposedly don't even get the big move. Bunch of fucking degenerates, bro. This shit is pissing me the fuck off, dude. Fucking, now it's at 30 cents. Fucking assholes, bro. This was just at 50 fucking 3 cents. Now it's at fucking 30. Oh my gosh, bro. This is so degenerate, dude. I'm really gonna have to decide if I'm just never gonna go green to red again. Because that would solve the problem, you know? I'm just sick and fucking tired of this bullshit, dude. What it takes to fucking make 100%, bro. It takes a fucking catastrophe. Someone has to fucking, it's like both sides have to lose for someone to make 100% time. It's like, dude, there's just too many fucking, it's degenerate. It's like, fuck, I feel like I have to size so fucking light to hold these trades. I feel like I have to size lighter and lighter. Like, this shit is pissing me the fuck off. I could have just gotten out and taken my gains. Fucking shit, dude. This went green to red. This went, dude, 37 cents to 53 cents. Fucking hell, bro. That's 40% increase almost. Man, it's pissing me the fuck off. What the fuck? Motherfuckers don't want to pay more, bro. That's all they're fucking paying. Well, fuck. Size in fucking more. Fucking shit. Take the fucking profit. Bunch of fucking assholes, bro. They're literally making it where both sides are going to get fucked. And then if we have a big move, we have a big move. The fucking entries aren't going to be as good because of the fucking decay. Oh my gosh, bro. Fucking high fucking stress, man. Fucking put some size into your trades and see how fucking stressful it is to hold this shit. Bunch of fucking assholes, bro. They don't want to pay. Just don't want to pay, bro. This fucking cunts of a fucking market don't want to fucking pay out. It's like, yeah, it makes a lot of fucking... It was good the whole day. It was good the whole fucking day. The moment I turn on the stream, it goes to shit. Fucking assholes, bro. This is so degenerate. I have to risk every fucking thing in this trade just for a bigger win, bro. I could have just sold it. This shit is fucking my flow, dude. This is fucking my flow, man. You know? Fucking... Bro, when price action is shit, you guys need to decide. Are you willing to hold that and risk it all? Or are you just going to take the profit, dude? It's creating fucking bullshit in my trading. That's what it's doing. It's creating some fuck shit, man. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm really going to have to decide. Do I want to never go green to red again? You know? So, when the price action is good... I'll get the bigger gains holding with ease. No problems, you know? I would have been profit stopped out here. No stress, no complaints, no bitching, no whining, right? But when the price action goes from, oh my god, it's amazing, to, oh, now it's shit, when it fucking flips like a motherfucker, it's like, bro, I'm giving back profit to hold for more. It seems like a win-lose. With this, I just win. I hold it, I win more. With this, I win, I lose, I win more, I lose more. You know what I mean? It just doesn't fuck the same, bro. It just doesn't fuck the same. Guys, I think I'm just going to have to give up this whole idea of just fucking... When price is shit, let's hold the trade. You know, I think when price is shit, we're just going to have to get profit stopped out. You know, I think I'm going to have to set that rule, bro. When price action goes shit, get profit stopped out. Don't go green to red. You know what I mean? I'm fucking tired of this fucking shit, bro. These motherfuckers are fucking everyone. I'm sick and fucking tired of getting fucked. Like, I could have just taken the profit and not even had a second thought of this fucking bullshit. Like, damn, bro. This shit is pissing me the fuck off, bro. Dude, I think when price action goes shit, I think we're just going to have to take the smaller win, bro. Because I never like holding into shit like this to begin with. And when I entered the trade, it was not reacting like this. As soon as I got into the trade, it started fucking going full fucking degenerate. It's like they couldn't give us a smooth sail. No, they gotta fuck everyone, bro. Fuck everyone. Dude, I'm getting to the point, bro. What the fuck is this? Dude, are you fucking red, green? Oh my gosh. Are they about to send this off a cliff again? Red, green, red, lower highs. Last time it formed a wick. Wick started to sell off. Bro, I think I'm going to have to just sell it all and just never go green to red again. I think that's what I'm... Dude, I'm just sick and fucking tired of it. I'm tired. I'm fucking tired of being up 30, 40%, going fucking red because these assholes want to flip a light switch. Oh, it looks good. It's going up. It looks great. Oh, it looks good. It's going up. Oh, let's slam it back down. Or, oh, let's chop it and decay them and fuck both sides. Like, dude, I'm fucking tired of this shit. I'm fucking tired of it, bro. I'm sick and fucking tired of holding through bullshit. When bullshit hits, I think we should just get profit stopped out, dude. I think that's the solution. Bullshit hits, we get back a little gains, and we sell. Fucking hell, bro. Sometimes it's going to go up 1,000,000%. Sometimes it's going to go to zero. Like, fuck it. I'm sick and fucking tired of this, bro. I can't fucking do it. I'm fucking tired, bro. Every time I enter a trade, the shit goes up 30%, it goes red. I'm sitting here saying, dude, other people are saying, bro, should you even be trading options? Maybe you should do the futures. Like, this shit is pissing me the fuck off every fucking time. The fuck? It's like there's other ways to get bigger gains, guys. I told these motherfuckers. There's other ways to get bigger gains. Just get in on a smooth ride. When it just goes straight up, you're not going to get profit stopped out. There's other ways to do it. You know, right now, this shit is profit stopping every motherfucker. Everyone with a profit stop is getting fucking sold out right now. At least they're fucking green. Fuck. This is so degenerate, dude. I'm tired of turning fucking W's into fucking L's. I'm fucking tired of it, bro. The price barely goes down. The trade goes down a fuck ton. Because of fucking decay. Fuck. I'm sick and fucking tired of it, bro. Fucking shit is stressing me the fuck out. Fucking hell, bro. Gosh, fucking hold for the big win. Hold for the big... Suppose that was the big win. Suppose there was nothing more. This big win shit is fucking my flow up. Fucking hell, bro. Fucking degenerate. Look at this. Degenerate. Bro, I'm selling it all, bro. I think I'm going to sell it all right here, dude. I think I've had enough. Bro, these motherfuckers... Are they really going to fucking... Oh my gosh, bro. I swear, bro, the moment I fucking sell this, they're probably gonna fucking spike this shit, bro. They're probably gonna spike this, dude. I'm so fucking tired of playing these games, bro. I should just set a profit stop. I'm tired of playing games with the market. You know? I'm still in the trade. Dude, I'm still fucking in this. This is peak fucking insanity. I'm still in this. Oh my god, bro. Survival of the fucking decay. Holy shit. Guys, this is not worth the highs and lows. I'm telling you, bro, it's just not worth it. This is like, bro, it's like this fucking drink I'm drinking. This shit says liquid death. I feel like that's what I'm in. I feel like I'm in depth, and I feel like I gotta size in lighter if I'm gonna hold this. Fucking, bro, all they do is just murder my trades. Every fucking trade gets murdered. They say, look, it's green, it works, it looks fucking euphoric, great. And then they just flip it. The assholes fucking flip it. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm still in this. This shit is gonna have me lose my fucking... Dude, I'm tired, bro. I'm tired. You know, it's just... You know, when it goes straight up, the profit stop will allow me to hold. When the market just goes shit, it'll sell me out. It'll say you might miss out on some big gains, but you might also miss out on a big L. You know, like fucking hell, bro. At least I'll be fucking green. Like, I don't know. Do you guys want to be in the market when it's just degenerate? Or do you want to get profit stopped out and take your gains? Like, fucking... I'm sitting here holding this shit. I'm saying, bro, this is degenerate. I was just green as fuck. Now I'm red. Now I'm green again. Like, the fuck? Shit is pissing me the fuck. Suppose there's no big move. Suppose all we get is decay. Suppose that it was the only thing to do was futures. What about all that fucking shit? Like, I'm trying to be green every fucking day. This shit is hard, bro. It's hard as fuck. Sometimes to be green every day, it's not even in options. This shit is getting fucking difficult. If I set a profit stop, I'll never be red. If I set a profit stop and the price action's good, I'll have a bigger W. If it's shit, I'll just get profit stopped out for a smaller win. Sometimes the smaller win's a good thing. Sometimes it's a horrible thing. Sometimes it's the best thing that ever happened. The trade goes straight to zero. You know what I mean? There's got to be some sort of logical balance to be green every day, you know? It's just, dude, the one thing I seem to hate the most is the green to reds. I think that just does it for me. I'm like, I'm fucking tired of it, bro. The same shit happens yesterday. I enter a trade, we get a nice move to the downside, it goes right back up. And then it goes down. It doesn't go much, dude. Even though it went lower, it would have decayed. It fucking decayed. Fucking options decayed. This is so fucking degenerate. This is the most degenerate, bro. Every time I hold a trade, this shit just fucks. It gets fucked at some point, you know? I could have bought a call right here. Yeah, smooth ride. Well, it got fucked. Like, fuck, it still got fucked. It's like fucking hell, bro. This is pissing me off, man. Dude, I might just have to make the decision to just set a profit stop. You know what I mean? I don't mind going green to red if it's a small little drop, but there's another problem. There's this thing called decay. All of a sudden, a small drop is you risk 50%. That, I do mind that. You know what I mean, bro? I do mind that. Like, 50% drawdown for a small little drop? Are you fucking kidding me? A small, you know what I mean? The shit barely goes down and then it can just go fit. I have some beef with that. Because, bro, I'm not the one to hit the biggest percentage gains to begin with. You know what I mean? So if we're just going to have one little tiny little drop and this is going to go 50%, I got some problems with that. I really do. So the shit is not easy, guys. This is not easy. You know what is easy? Just fucking, you're green, you set a profit stop, you sell into some moves. That's easy, bro. This whole holding shit, bro, I'm sitting here saying, dude, every time I'm holding a trade, this is going green to red. Sometimes there's no big moves. Sometimes I'm wrong about the big move. It seems like I'm rarely right about the big fucking move. Every time it's like, bro, it seems like the big moves was the scalps. This shit goes like fucking, someone could buy calls right here. It goes all the way up here. They say, big move, hold it. It goes right back down. We're in a fucking, this market is insane. We're in the most insane market. So the way I see it, it's like, man, going green to red just doesn't seem to be that advantageous. Unless you guys are fucking hitting 300%, 500%. Dude, I'm not hitting those. I'm not hitting the fucking 300%. I'm not hitting those type of trades. That's not me. That's why this shit is pissing me off, bro. I try to hold. So I think the conclusion, I might just do this. You know, when it's going straight up and things are looking fucking perfect, I'll just set a profit stop. And I'll get profit stopped out and I'll sell into some moves and I can risk green to red to an extent if I like, you know, I can do that. But fucking, when we just go from this looks bullish as fuck to scribble, scrabble, fuck everyone, decay everyone, one small little move against them, their options are fucked and their options are already getting fucked because it's not doing it. When we just go from, you know what, let's just force them to hold the trades. We're going to force them to hold. They're either going to have a big L or a big W. I think when we go from that mode, bro, I think the best course of action is to just get the fuck out of the trade. You know, because I'm sick and tired of it, bro. I'm in this trade right now. I'm sitting here saying it did not look like this when I fucking entered it. It looked a fuck ton different, the way it was going up and moving. Now it's just degenerate. And then if it spikes with all the decay, the bears are going to go straight to zero. And if it drops with all... Dude, the trade I'm looking at, it's like this is a news play. It's like right before FOMC, the news drops. Oh, who's going to get fucked? I do not like trading that way. I understand when I'm in a trade, that's going to happen, but at least I can manage it. You know, if I get out now, at least I can cut it. You know what I mean? I don't like being in trades that just fuck people. It started off good. Now it's fucking everyone. And it's just going to go straight up or straight down. Or it just might freeze and do nothing and fuck both sides. It's pissing me the fuck off, bro. Like, I think when it comes to my trading, I don't think I want to be in trades that just do this. Because the way I perceive that is, we're getting decayed, so we're already getting fucked. And it's either going to go straight up or straight down. So I perceive it as, there's no longer a trade to manage. The only thing someone can manage is the position size that they put themselves in. That's how I perceive it as. And I don't like trading that way. I don't like, just holding to zero and sitting here and saying, you know what? Everything I'm risking straight there. I don't like doing that. I really don't. So this is pissing me off, man. Because I have these brilliant ideas, but fucking the market isn't allowing me to hold for these ideas. It's not. Unless I take a smaller size and just don't give a fuck if I go green to red. So, I gotta come to some sort of resolution on what the fuck I'm gonna do in these situations. The one reason why I'm holding is just because I like the fucking idea. It's such a good idea. But it's like I have to go green to red and then risk everything to reap the rewards. I just don't like that. I like the idea of the trade. All right, I'm going to be in this trade. It's going to go to this price if it works, and we're going to have a bigger W. I like it. But I don't like the idea of, the market's no longer going straight up. Now it's chopping, decay, risk green to red. And then it gets to a point where you're no longer risking green to red. Now you're risking everything that you put into the trade. I just never liked the idea, in terms of how I trade, of risking it all. I just don't like it, especially if I'm green. This shit is pissing me the fuck off, bro. It really is. So, bro, I'm telling you, I'm gonna have to figure out what I want to do. You see, I can come to a conclusion of, okay, every time it goes shit, I'm just gonna take the profit. Take the small profit, right? But the problem for me with that is, at times, the idea is so good. It's just such a good idea. But I don't like holding things to zero. But with options, bro, it just gets to an extent where you have to hold it to zero. The closer we get to power hour, the more of a straight to zero this turns into. You know what I mean? So guys, this is fucked, man. I'm trying my best to be green every single day. It's not easy to do. If you aim for the bigger gains, dude, it's the hardest thing in this market is to be green every day if you're aiming for the bigger wins. Oh my God, bro. It's like people could literally just size bigger and let the size do the work for them. Or they can buy something right out the money, barely out of the money, and then let the quick in the money spike do the work for them. I'm pissed the fuck off, bro. This market, it's got me questioning at times if I should just do the same thing or should I do a little tweak? Like I have too many systems, bro. I have too many systems. I know how to read price action when it's good and when it's shit. So there are times where I do question, should I do something differently or should I just never go green to red? I do question at times. Obviously, if we're going to risk something to zero, we need to be sized in lighter, 100%. But bro, this is just pissing me off, man. Like I'm really trying to figure out, like, is the resolution to just never go green to red? Is that going to solve it? So I'm doing some work on my system, bro. I'm doing some work on my system, and I'm just observing, when the market goes full Deegan. At first, it was amazing. It was amazing. Then it went full Deegan. So I'm sitting here saying, when the market goes full Deegan, do I want to hold that, or do I just want to take the smaller W? That's where I'm at. Some ideas are just so fucking good where part of me wants to hold, and then another part of me is sitting here saying, dude, I'm going to have to risk everything in this contract to hold for this bigger win. And like sometimes there is no bigger win. Sometimes it's the same win. Sometimes there's no win. Sometimes it's a bigger L. So this whole holding for bigger gains shit, when the market goes Deegan and makes your trades green to red, it's got me questioning, bro. It's got me questioning. Should I hold for the bigger W, or should I just always sell for profit and never go green to red? And then the bigger wins are going to come from, big spikes like this, selling into the moves. And then when the market just goes straight up, and then once it starts to fuck the other side, get profit stopped out. This hasn't been generous, right? So the trades that I entered, the most generous things about these trades was they went up first, smooth in and out scalp, take what the market gives you, right? That was the best thing about the trade so far. After that, it just chopped which is fucking our calls. You know, we're doing options. We're not doing futures. So if the market's chopping, we're getting fucked up. Decaying, we're getting fucked up. Going green to red, we're getting fucked up. I'm sitting here saying, bro, just for the bigger moves, sometimes they're never going to happen. Sometimes we're going to be wrong about the bigger move. You know, sometimes all the trade was, it goes green, and then we're wrong about the bigger move, and it goes red. So I'm sitting here saying, bro, is all of that worth holding? You know, it's got me questioning it, bro. I have some good ideas, but it's got me questioning. Is all of that bullshit, green to red, chop, decay, we might not have a big move. We might be wrong about the big move. Options decay, is all of this worth holding? Something that's decaying at the speed of light. It's got me questioning, bro. It's got me questioning. You know, the price is going up, but the contracts are going down. It's got me questioning, bro. It's got me questioning some shit. It really, you know, do I want to put myself in terms of this whole idea? Well, then how are you going to get bigger wins? Well, we could size bigger and just scalp. We could do that. Also, the market can give us a move where it just goes straight up and then we just get profit stopped out once it starts to reverse and we sell into key levels, right? So it's got me questioning some shit. You know, how do you guys want to win big? Do you want to win big putting in some size, getting in, getting out, set a stop? Do you want to win big? All right, the market's going to give me a big-ass move, going to time it right, generous move, boom, profit stopped out. You know, sometimes you'll get in a trade, sometimes you'll buy calls right here. It goes up, nice gains, hold it, give it all back, it goes up more. You know, sometimes it depends. What system do you guys want to use? What would you guys use? When you buy here, do you want to get profit stopped out right here in the middle? Or do you want to hold it, risk it going green to red, and then sometimes it goes up higher, sometimes it never has a big move, sometimes it turns into a big out, right? So what I'm saying is, you can put in some normal size, right? You get in right here. Maybe you trim some right here, and you trim some right here into the peaks, and then you get profit stopped out in the middle, get back some gains, right? And then sometimes you'll make a trade, you'll make another one, and it will just go straight up. Sometimes you'll get a bigger gain that way. I'm curious, man. I'm curious. What system, what would you do? What would you guys do? You know? Sometimes you're going to enter a trade, you're going to sell into some moves, you'll sell too soon. Sometimes you'll sell the exact peak. And then you'll get profit stopped out in the middle, right? Not go green to red. Sometimes you'll time a trade so good, it'll just go straight up. You could sell a little too soon, or you could just set the profit stop, never get profit stopped out, and you know what I mean? But what do you want to do, bro? When the market goes full Deegan, when the market goes boom, perfect timing, nice print, oh, back to red, what would you guys do? Would you optimize for holding that? Or would you optimize for sell into spikes, not into dips, hold some runners, set some profit stops? And when the market just keeps on roaring the fuck up like this, you know, set a profit stop, move it up higher. You know what I mean? If the market, sometimes it's degenerate. Sometimes in 1 minute, it gives back all the profit. Profit stopped out. Sometimes it just goes straight the fuck up. Never profit stopped out. What do you want to rely on? Do you want to rely on the market's price action? You see what I'm saying? Like right now, the market's price action, it's cooking me. It's cooking my options. You know, this isn't fucking futures. I'm getting decayed at the speed of fucking light. I'm getting absolutely fucking cooked right now, holding this. And the price is higher than my entry, and I'm getting fucking cooked. So what would you guys do? I'm curious, man. I'm curious. What would you do? I'm curious. I'm gonna look at the chat, bro. What would you guys do? Dude, I'm getting fucking cooked, bro. I might have to just fucking cut it here, dude. It's peak degenerate. I held this shit long enough, you know? I'm sick and fucking tired of this shit. I held it. Look what happened. All the profit got wiped, and now we're getting decayed, and now we're red, and the price is going higher. Yeah, I fucking held the trade. Every time I hold a fucking trade, look what happens. Fucking hell, bro. This shit is pissing me the fuck off. And guys, I'm talking about trades when you hold them and they're green, all right? Obviously, when you're red, you cut it to an extent, 25, 50%, right? It depends on what you're sized in, too. The less you size, the more you can hold. But I'm talking about when your trades are green. When your trades are green, what would you do in that situation? You know, I'm curious, bro, because fucking this shit is pissing me off, bro. You know, sometimes the market has seasons where if you hold green trades, you just get clapped. That's why the profit stop idea is so superior. At least I won't get fucking clapped on my wins. It's just such a horrible fit. I'm getting clapped on my fucking wins, bro. Like, I'm already not the one to hit the biggest percentage gains. Like, bro, I'm not the one to hit the biggest percentage gains. So that, in a sense, is kind of making a lot more sense to just take the gains too. Like, I'm not hitting multiple 100% profit returns, 1,000% returns. Like, I'm not doing that, bro. You know, I'm just not doing that. Like, G-Roar, he's the one who hits the biggest percentage gains. I'm not hitting the biggest of percentage gains, you know? It's not what I do best. It's really not. But man, this price, you know, I gotta decide what I'm gonna do every time, you know, because the market does different things every day, and the ideas are different too. Sometimes the ideas are more superior than the last trade ideas, and then I question a little bit if I should hold it or if I should just get the fuck out. You see what I'm saying, bro? Because like, it's frustrating, you know. What makes it complicated for me is, one, I'm trying to be green every day, and two, I don't look at every trade as equal. That's what makes it complicated. You know what I'm saying? I don't look at every trade as, you know, an equal trade. Some trades I look at like, this can go up a fuck ton more, you know? Other trades, I look at them like, this isn't the 100% best setup, best price. There could be better, but we're in on the trade. You know what I mean? So what makes it complicated for me is not every trade is created equal. And price action is not equal as well. Sometimes the market goes straight up and you don't get profit stopped out because the pullbacks are not big enough. Sometimes the market goes up and then it has a big pullback and you get profit stopped out. Then it goes lower or then it goes higher. Sometimes there is no big move. You see what I'm saying, guys? It's a lot, bro. It's a lot of shit to fucking think about. Price action is not created equally. It changes all the time. It goes from up, down, big up. You know, it fucks all the time. Price action fucks everyone. All the time. Options have so many variables that fuck people, especially if they're holding decays fucking them. You know what I mean? So it's tough, bro. It's tough to sit here and say that I'm going to do one thing every single time. And the reason why it's tough is because price action changes all the time and the trades are not created equally. We can have a shit trade and the price action could be amazing. We can have an amazing trade, amazing opportunity, but the price action could be shit. So it's fucking complicated, man. It's fucking complex. That's how I see it, because price action could be good or shit, and the trade idea could be good or shit. But with this holding shit, if there's one thing we're certain on, it's like, bro, fucking, there might not be a big move. We might have paid too high in price, and we might just get the decayed even if there is a big move. We might be wrong about the big move, but we were right about the trade earlier. So, bro, this holding, it's got me fucked up, bro. Going green to red has got me fucked up. I will say, what's got me fucked up is going green to red. You know? It's like, bro, I have these amazing ideas, but like, I get in on the fucking trade, and to hold this shit, I'm going to have to go green to red. And I'm sitting here saying, well, if I hold it, I can get a bigger gain, but it's not going to work all the time. And sometimes when it works, we're going to get decayed, and it's not going to be a big W. Sometimes it's going to go to, like, it's fucking with my shit, bro. It's fucking with my flow, man. This is pissing me off, bro. The market is very challenging, you know? This is tough as shit, bro. It's tough as shit. I'm holding something that's fucking decaying against me. There might not be a big move, dude. There might not. And guys, just because the moves are smaller doesn't mean it's small profits. If you're gonna set a stop at 25 to 50%, you can size in a lot bigger than someone holding to zero. So remember that. The disadvantage is you can't just hold it forever. But But with options in general, you can't just hold them forever. They're gonna fucking decay. They're gonna expire fucking worthless, right? So, bro, I think I'm probably just gonna end up settling. I'll keep a stop 25 to 50%, right? Right around there. If I truly wanted to hold something, I could just size in fucking small and just risk it to zero. But then seeing that go green to red is gonna break my fucking heart. Bro, I might just keep stops at like 25 to 50%, rare trades, 60 to 70, but size in a little bit bigger, and there you go, It's like, bro, holding trade. You guys also see when you hold a trade, a lot of the times you go green to red, or a lot of the times you start off red. It takes for fucking ever to work because you're holding for a bigger move. It takes for fucking ever. Like, this is so degenerate, bro. This is just so fucking degenerate. I'm so fucking disappointed, man. Literally, the market it's basically forcing me to decide, what do I want to do? Do I always just want to take the profits? Do I want to sometimes risk it all? Risk everything I put into the trade? If I'm doing that, then I'm going to have to, make sure that my size isn't as big as if it, what I mean? Like, if I sized in for a trade, right? Say you size in for a trade where you're going to get profit stopped out. Well, if I decide to hold that, I have to make sure that I'm not risking green to red on that. You know what I mean? Sometimes I could flip the trade too. But do I even want to flip the trade like that? That fucks with people too. So disappointed, bro. So disappointed, man. Fucking, man, this market is fucking hell, bro. It's a hell of a fucking market, man. It's like, fuck. It would have been so easy to just cut the trades, Like, bro, these were big increases. This was 25%. I got in right here, bro. I got in here before this 1 minute spike. I got in right here. I got in right here. It dropped. This was 25%. I got in right here before this big ass spike. We bought the trade out of the money. It went in the money. And since it happened with such a big spike, we were up 40%, bro. In a fucking minute, the trade went up 40%. And now I'm holding it. And the longer I hold it, the price on SPY is increasing, but I'm getting decayed. I'm getting fucked. The market's basically forcing me to risk it all. It's forcing me to risk it all. That's what it's doing. It's not allowing me to do anything else. The time to sell and take gains was right there when it just instantly went up, So, bro, this is a fucking cooked of a fucking market, bro. It really is, man. It really is, bro. My best trades, they've always been the scalps. Every time I hold green to red, we just seem to get fucked. Every time, bro. This is fucking pissing me to fuck off, dude. Every time. You see, this is the one advantage about options is you don't have to hold them, bro. Look, you can buy something right out of the money. One small little spike, 30%. You buy a 770 call out of the money, a 50-cent spike, they go in the money. That's 30 to 40%, bro. So, you do that with futures, the gain isn't going to be as big as a fucking 30 to 50% gain in a fucking minute. You see what I'm saying? That's why I don't just trade futures. There's a time and place for everything. But it's got me questioning if I should just always place the profit stop. It's like, bro, I could have placed the profit stop. I would have been profit stopped out. The contracts is the same fucking price. I would have been profit stopped out, even though the price would have went higher. Fucking decay, bro. We're getting decayed. They're forcing people to hold trades. That's what they're doing. They're basically saying, if you don't want to be in this, cut your fucking trade, because what we're going to do is we're just going to close the market flat, or we're going to have a big spike and no one's going to be able to manage their risk, so they better be sized to zero, or we're going to have a big crash and no one's going to be able to manage their risk because it's just going to have a big move. You know what I'm saying? So the only way to manage your risk in this, you can set profit stops, but bro, the only real way is to fucking size to zero. That's it. If you size to zero, that's what you risk. You hold the trade, you risk green to red. That's it. It's fucking degenerate, bro. I'm sick and fucking tired of it, bro. I'm sick and fucking tired of it, bro. I might just have to set the profit stops every time. Because, dude, I'm tired of I'm up 10%. I'm up 20%. Red. Like I'm fucking, bro, I'm sick and fucking tired of it, bro. I really am. It's just so fucking frustrating. It's hard enough to be green. It's hard enough to win. It's like, guys, if a 20 or 40% return is fucking smaller, size in double compared to what you're sizing in when you're risking it to zero, you know? And then just get stopped out at like 50%. Size in bigger and set a tighter stop. Keep the stop in between 25 to 50%. Don't hold it to zero. If you don't hold it to zero, you can put in a bigger size. You know? If you hold it to zero, you put in less size. It could just be as simple as that. So it's like, you know, if we're not going to aim for the biggest percentage gains, I think the best thing to do, we just set the profit stops and we can size in a little bit bigger, you know, than just risking it all to zero. We size in bigger and we keep the max pain at 50%, you know, since the max pain is 50%, we could size in bigger, you know, so I think that's what I'm going to settle for, dude, is just doing that. I think I'm going to just have max pains around 50% to 25%. And just size in bigger. Because, dude, this is degenerate. Everyone knows I hate trading this way. I'm in a trade. The market flips. It chops. Those are the trades I hate the most. And it's just disappointing because when I enter the trade, it wasn't like that. It was good. And then I enter the trade and then it goes to shit. But usually, you know, we get a nice little move when that happens. Either in our favor or out of our favor. You know? And then it just fucks around forever. And then it goes straight up, straight down, or no big move. So, guys, I think I'm just going to do that, bro. I think I'm just going to set the profit stops, sell into the moves, never go green to red. And, yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Because, bro, I'm just... Every time I risk a trade to zero, it just usually doesn't work out. You know? Sometimes it does, but, like... It's just so fucking stressful and fucking... I'm sitting here saying, dude, I could have just made 20 fucking scalps, you know? I could have gotten in here, gotten sold here, profit stopped here, gone back in, gone back in, gone back in, gone back... Lower prices, bigger gains, fucking... I could have just made that trade 20 times already and been green instead of debating this shit. Like, fucking hell, bro. This whole idea of big gains, it's like... It's costing me profit. I mean, one of the reasons why it's costing me profit is because I'm not the best with the big gains in the first place. The main way I'm getting these big gains, bro, market has moves like these, I get the big gains that way, right? But you can just size to get big gains too. It's like, bro, whenever the market chops like this and I hold, it's a nightmare, bro. It's a nightmare. Like, bro, even yesterday, bro, it worked, but to a scalping degree. There was no crazy big move. It had a nice move on a short, but then look, it went right back up, bro. You know what I mean? It's just so fucking Deegan. It's so degenerate. I'm fucking tired of it, bro. I'm tired of turning green into red. You know? Like, when I'm, you know, if I'm in a fucking art class, I'm not trying to, you know, turning green to red. I'm saying, no, it's green. I don't need to turn it green. You know what I mean? The fuck, like, motherfuckers, dude. The market is fucking tough as shit. Fucking to go green to red, it's like, man, I'm really exposing myself to fucking red. Fucking hell, bro. Who wants to be fucking red? Oh, what a horrible feeling to be fucking red, bro. It's the most degenerate fucking feeling I've ever felt. It's fucking red. It's degenerate. Look at this, bro. Our trade's in the money. Our contracts are at break even. These was at 53 cents. Dude, 53 cents in a minute. We hold this shit for an hour. They're at break even, getting fucking clapped, the price is going higher. I'm at break even. If I was in futures, I would be green. If I was in options, I could have sold it right here. No, I held the option straight. This holding shit's got me fucked up, bro. It really does. You know, I don't have a problem with holding. I've got some problems with the green to red. I will say, though, this looks bullish as fuck. This looks bullish as fuck right now. You know, it really does. This looks bullish as fuck. I will say that. But, bro, it's like, it's frustrating. It really is frustrating, dude. It is. Like, what someone has to go through to get bigger gains, right? It's fucking frustrating, man. You have to hold this shit for hours. It goes green, it goes red. Like, I'm fucking tired of it. I'm sick and fucking tired of it, bro. These motherfuckers clapped puts and calls for fucking hours. They fucking clapped this shit like that. And now it's finally going up. And now it could just drop right back down. They could just pull the... Okay. We're going to pull the cord right now. They're green. All right, let's send it right back down. Motherfuckers thought it was going to keep on going up. They should have set the profits up. You know what I mean, bro? I'm fucking tired of it, bro. Nothing can just keep on going straight up all the time. At some point, they got to pull the fucking rug. You know what I mean? GameStop doesn't just go from fucking $0 to $500. It goes from 0 to 500 back to 20. You guys know how it is, bro. It ain't easy, bro. It ain't fucking easy. GameStop doesn't just go from 0 to fucking 500. It goes from fucking 0 to 500 back to fucking $20. You know? This holding shit's got me fucked up when it comes to green to red. It really does. It's got me questioning some shit, bro. It really does. I'm just so fucking frustrated, bro. I'm sick and fucking tired of holding winners that turn to losers. People bitch, whine, and complain. I'm like, well, if you sized it in a little bit bigger, it could have been a bigger gain. No, it was fucking, if you take a bigger size, is that not a bigger gain? Fucking, the bigger you size, the tighter your stop. The smaller you size, the more you can risk of not even having a stop. You know, so... I think I'm just trying to create more of a balance is what I'm trying to do. You know, like a 50% stop, that's some good room to have where it could drop a bit, right? It gives us some room where we can, you know, hold the trades, right? 50% drawdowns gives us plenty of room. You know, I mean, another drawdown to look into is 70%. But 50% gives us quite... you know, the drawdown to kind of hold. And green to red, that seems to fuck... Bro. Guys, I think I should just never do this again, bro. I think I should just never hold a trade. You know what I mean? I should never hold it. Dude, this is what happens every fucking time, bro. I swear, every fucking time, bro. This shit, it's just got me fucking, bro. It's pissing me the fuck off. Every time, bro. I might just have to retire in terms of holding for a big win, you know? Every time I do it, bro, it just never works. It's just never working out, bro. It works one time, well, the gain still isn't big enough for it to be worthwhile. You know, 100, 200%. Well, what about all the 30% wins that went down to fucking 50 to 100%? What about all the L's that went green to red? You know, it's just not it's not working, bro. It's just not working, bro. I could have gotten in here, gotten out. I could have gotten in here, gotten out. Gotten back in there, gotten out. It's just not fucking working, bro. Motherfuckers got me fucked up. This holding shit has got me fucked up, bro. I think I'm just going to retire from holding winners that turn into losers. So here's how I see it. We get on a trade. We hold it. If it's not up that much, fine. Let it go green to red. You know, if we think it's some amazing fucking idea and it goes up a little bit, you know, I would say like 10 to 15%. If we go above 10 to 15%, we just get out. We get out of the trade, right? Bro, this is so fucking degenerate, bro. This is so fucking degenerate, bro. This is the most degenerate fucking shit I've ever fucking seen. Dude, GG's. I can't do it, bro. I do not have the stomach for this shit. Bro, I tried. I'm getting out. Fuck this. I don't give a fuck. I'm getting out, bro. This is the most degenerate shit I've ever fucking seen in my life. I don't give a fuck. I'm getting out of this shit. Alright, bro, I'm out. I'm fucking out. Oh my gosh, bro. Fucking 37 cents to 20. Fucking hell, bro. 50% fucking hell. Shit was up 40%. Fuck. Oh my god, bro. I'm out. I'm out of my trade. Guys, this is what I'm gonna do, bro. We're gonna get in on a trade. If it goes up 10% plus, we're setting the fucking profit stops, bro. We're not going green to red on double digits. Fuck that. We're going to set the profit stops. Look, if it's an extremely rare setup, fine. We'll risk 10, 15, 20%, fucking fine. Maybe we'll take the risk. Max drawdown, we're going to keep it 50%. You know, keep it in between 25 to 50%, right around there. You know, the only way we're going to get big percentage gains, bro, is if it just goes straight up. That's the only way. If it just keeps on going uppity, we're not getting profit. That's the only way. Other than that, we're selling into moves. We're setting profit stops, bro. I'm fucking done. I cannot put myself through this, bro. You know, I'm not the best when it comes to getting the biggest percentage gains. I've never claimed to be the best when it comes to the big percentage gains. Bro, every time I hold for a bigger percentage gain, I get decayed. Sometimes there's no big move. Sometimes there's a big move, but we paid too fucking high in price and we're still getting decayed. Sometimes it's a bigger win. Sometimes it's a bigger L. I'm fucking done, bro. I can't do it, bro. I can't do it. I'm out of that game, bro. I'm not trading that way anymore. I just can't do it, bro. I can't fucking do it. Dude, I can't be in a situation where, you know what, fuck it. I'm going to hit a 500% win. Shit's going to be crazy. But then we're going to have 10 fucking L's. I don't care if the win is bigger than the L. I do not care. I am not trading that way. I'm not going to sit here and say we're going to have a fucking 200, 500% win. Then we're going to have a bunch of green trades that go green to red. You know, the win rate's going to be shittier, but the wins will be bigger. Bro, I'm not doing it. I'm going to keep the win rate high. That's what I'm going to do, bro. We're going to keep the win rate high. When a trade goes up 10% plus, set our profit stops. We're not going green to red. Look, if the idea is that fucking good, rare situations, we can risk green to red, but to an extent, bro. Like, if this is up 20% plus, bro, I think at 20%, no matter how good the idea is, I think at 20% we just draw the line, you know? And you guys are just going to have to understand, look, the market's a bitch. Sometimes it goes up, and then it chops, and then it goes higher. Sometimes it just goes straight up, right? So this whole idea of, bro, we're going to get profit stopped out a fuck ton of times, and it's going to go higher, and it's also going to go lower, all right? So fuck it. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. If the market wants to be generous, you know, like, bro, I'm literally showing you, this is what's going to happen, bro. We're going to buy a trade at the lows. It's going to go up. We're going to sell into some spikes, trim some, hold some, get profit stopped out, and then look, it goes right back down. Sometimes it goes down 30 fucking percent green to red. Then what's that? Oh, what's that? You know, and then sometimes we're just going to buy here and it's going to go straight up. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Dude, I'm fucking done, bro. I'm not going green to red anymore, bro. What we're going to do is 10% plus, we're going to set the profit stops. If the idea is that good, I would say, bro, if it goes up 20%, dude, we're still setting that profit stop. You know? 20%, we're going to have to set it regardless, no matter how good the idea is. Bro, we're not trying to go green to red anymore. This has got me fucked up. This is the third stream in the row. This stream, bro, this just keeps on happening. I can't fight it. I can't fucking fight it. I'm not going to sit here and say we're going to go green to red a million fucking times, then we're going to hit a fucking 300% win. No, fuck that. I'm not doing it. I'm not going to fucking do it. They're going to have to size in fucking bigger and use fucking 50% drawdown stops. We're not going to risk it to zero. Fuck that. Bro, every single time, fucking, we're green and then it goes to fucking red. Every fucking time, bro. I've had it up to here. I don't care. I don't give a fuck if the market changes. I'm done. I can't do this, bro. If the market changes and then it's a market where we should all just hold for... Bro, I don't give a fuck. The market changes every fucking day. Pick a system. This is what I'm going to do, bro. Fuck the green to red. Fuck the L's. Fuck the losing. Fuck the... This idea of a 100% gain, it's out of my fucking mind. I do not want it, bro. Every time I aim for it, it's gone. It's gone. I go, it's gone. Poof. Fucking fairy dust. You're up 50%? Well, let's pull the rug now. Some motherfuckers, bro. I don't care. I don't care how good the market looks, bro. I do not give a fuck. I will rather sell too soon every fucking time and manage the trade with the profit stop than to sit here and just fucking go green to red every time, bro. I've had it up to... I'm not going to fucking do it, bro. I'm not going to do it. Fuck that. Every time, bro. I just can't do it, bro. Think about it. If we hold a trade, think of the possibilities, bro. We buy a trade, we're up. It's hard as shit to be up, bro. This is not fucking easy, dude. It's not fucking easy to be green on every fucking trade I'm making, bro. This shit is not easy. We buy a trade, it's green. What could happen after that? It could chop, it could decay, it could freeze, and nobody gets paid. No big moves, dead. It can have a big move, we could be right, but the fucking timing, we paid so fucking much, the timing's fucking us now. You know? Timing is still fucking us. We can be completely wrong about the wrong move. You know, that's what's so fucked about holding green to red trades. Because we can be fucked in so many ways. There's too many ways to get fucked. There's too many variables and odds that are against us. There really is. There's just too much against us. You know? We can hold a trade. The market could freeze. We can hold a trade. There's a big move. We're wrong about the big move. We can hold a trade. We're right about the big move, but we got in too early, and that cost us some gains. Dude, I've had it up to here, bro. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I'm not fucking, fuck that. If we have an idea that good, 20%, we'll set the profit stop, bro. You know, if we have an idea that good, we'll set the profit stop. We're not going to give back gains. I'm done giving back gains, bro. I'm just sick and fucking tired of giving back gains, bro. You know, I'm sick and fucking tired, bro. I can't do it anymore, bro. I can't. There's people in the market, they're better than me, they're smarter than me when it comes to holding for 1,000,000 fucking %. So I'm just gonna let them do their job, and I'm just gonna do my job. I'm gonna get in, I'm gonna trim some, I'm gonna set a profit stop. Sometimes we're gonna be in on the best trades, bro. We're gonna be in on the trade that everyone's holding, and we're gonna get out too soon. It is what it is, bro. I'm just done. I can't trade this way anymore, bro. I can't do it, bro. It's fucking my flow. It's too difficult. There's too many things against me. I could be right about the big move, and I could still lose money. I got in too early, I paid too much. You know, it's fucking my shit. There might not even be a big move. Higher probabilities of losing. The market might just freeze. Fucking shit, bro. This shit's got me fucked up, bro. I just can't do it, guys. I can't. Fuck it. It's just not for me, bro. You know, I'm sure, bro, if I put my fucking, you know what I mean? I'm sure I can get some big wins, but bro, we're going to have so many trades that go green to red. The win rate is going to go from amazing to shit. I could still be profitable, but dude, there's just people who are better. They're just better at doing certain things than fucking others. This is not for me, bro. This shit is not for fucking me, bro. Every fucking time, this just keeps on happening, bro. It just sucks because I have amazing ideas and they do work, but bro, it's like the market always, it's like sometimes, you know, like it's the timing, bro. Like someone, you know what I mean? It's the timing. If they bought a put right here, they would have gotten fucking profit stopped out right there in between that for a little gain there. If they bought a put right here, they would have been good. It's the fucking timing, bro. It's hard as fuck to time this shit for the most perfect, biggest fucking move. Look at how long it chops and does nothing, and then out of the fucking blue, it has a big move. So you got to know the prices, but even if you know the prices, decay's going to fuck you, so you have to get out at some point. Sometimes the market gives them that, sometimes it doesn't. So fuck, bro. I tried my best, man. This market, every trade I enter, it goes green to red, bro. I could have just been green. Literally every fucking one. It goes green to red, or sometimes we'll just get stopped out. You know, the wins is going to be bigger than the L's. We're going to have a fuck ton more wins than the L's, and we can size in fucking bigger, bro. So, guys, I'm just going to have to take it, bro. I'm just going to have to take it, bro. I'm going to have to take it. I'm just going to have to set the fact, look, man, the market, you know, it's going to give people big moves, but sometimes it's going to profit stop me out. It is what it is, bro. Like I'm saying, bro, like just what look, someone's going to buy a put here. It's going to drop. They're going to get profit stopped out. And then they can risk some to the degree. You want to risk 50%? Fine. Risk fucking 50%. You want to risk green to red? Risk it. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's going to have a big move. They'll be right. Sometimes, bro, for me, this holding shit has really fucked up my whole shit. It's the holding winners that are turning into losers, it's just L after L after L. It's just, I keep on running into L's. But I also think of like, you know, it's extremely hard to time something perfectly and to get in and get out at a good price. You know, it's not easy to scalp. You know, a lot of people scalp, they just lose 24/7. Some people hold, they win 24/7. I'm clearly on the other side of the spectrum. I'm on the side of, when I scalp, I make money, bro. I fucking print. When I hold this shit, it fucking goes against me, bro. Every time it goes green and then it fucking just keeps on going against me. Like fucking shit. Unless the trade just keeps on going straight up. But if the trade just keeps on going straight up, I'm not going to sell it too soon. I'll trim some at levels, set a profit stop, move it up higher. You know? It's like, this is tough as shit, bro. This holding shit it's fucked up my flow. Holding winners into losers has fucked my trading. It really has, bro. I'm throwing away money, just lighting this on fire. Like fucking shit, bro. This shit is not good. Not fucking good, bro. Like fucking, I do not like touching the fire, bro. I'm telling you, bro. This right here, this is very bullish. When this started breaking out, I bought the calls right here before this big fucking 50-cent spike in the money. That's what I do best, bro, is that. You know, I wait for something to develop a little bit. I get in. I fucking kill the scalp, get out. If I hold this shit, bro, oh my God, bro. If the market goes full fucking Deegan mode, the worst thing I can do is hold a trade when the market goes from, all right, it's breaking out, it's retesting, breaking out, retesting, it's going up, it's spiking, spiking, spiking. The worst thing I could do is keep on holding it when it starts to flip. Oh, now it's dead. Oh, now it's chopping. Oh, now if we hold it, it's going to go straight to zero if we're wrong. Oh, now it's decaying as the price goes higher. You know what I mean? Bro, worst thing I can do with my trading is hold into that. The way I perceive it as, I feel like I'm tossing a coin. You know, I have a brilliant idea. Price action shifts. Market starts chopping. It's no longer going up. It's no longer going down. It's just chopping fucking everyone. Dude, worst thing I can do is hold a trade when the market chops. I would say when it comes to my win rate, bro, that's the worst thing I can do. You know, like right here, it was chopping, right? But it was looking bullish. It was looking bullish. It was breaking out. I got in. It worked. And then it fucking flipped back to shit mode and went full fucking degenerate. And then I realized if I'm holding this, I'm risking everything. Like fucking hell, bro. It's like, bro, price action flips at the speed of light, man. You either take full advantage of the price action or you just go full fucking Deegan and hold this shit. You know, if I were to take full advantage of the price action, I would say, wow, that was a good move. I'm going to take some gains here. If I want to hold some, I hold some. And then I would say, this is completely fucking degenerate. Let me get profit stopped out, or let me just exit my position right here into the middle of this degenerate shit, you know, and not go green to red. You know what I mean? And then just look to get back in. Bro, our biggest enemy is fucking chop. That is our biggest enemy right now. It's the chop. The chop is the biggest enemy. Chop is the biggest enemy. You know? When we're in a trade, bro, that is our biggest fucking enemy. You know? We get in, it goes up, at some point, it's gonna die. When it dies, bro, that's our biggest enemy. Every fucking time, bro. Every fucking time, bro. That's our biggest enemy, bro. When this shit fucking just chops like that, the market, it just fucks us. Almost every single trade I make, bro, when it turns into like, I feel like I'm tossing a coin, you know? I get in on the trade, I'm like, this looks good, I set a high profit target, and then they flip a switch, and I feel like, you wanna know what I feel like, bro? I feel like right before FOMC, right before they turn the fucking light switch on and it goes parabolic, calls or puts, toss the coin. That's what it feels like, bro. Dude, if I'm in a trade and I feel like that, I'm just going to have to cut it, bro. No matter how good the idea. You know, it's just sometimes the ideas are so good, I just want to hold it. Because I know Because I'm like, yeah, they turn the price action shit, but at some point they can turn it back to good again. But by then we're decayed and we could still be wrong about the move and we were already green. So I was like, fuck that too then. Fuck, bro. It's like the only way I'm going to have bigger percentage gains is if the market just keeps going straight up and it doesn't chop. Or we buy something out of the money and it goes right in the money. Like this trade right here, that was perfect. We bought a contract out of the money. I said 770 calls, these are cheap. They're 30 fucking 7 cents. I said all this has to do is just have a little spike and go in the money. As soon as I got in, it had the spike. The timing was perfect. The move was big for a 1 minute candle and the trade went in the money. So it was a massive fucking gain. And then I fucked the trade by continuing to hold after it switched. And this was generous. It gave me the opportunity to get out. The market dropped, it bounced. The market dropped lower, it bounced. I had so many opportunities to get out. That's generous. Sometimes it just does what it did here. Sometimes it just goes straight fucking down. And then it decays, and then it goes back up, or it never goes back up. Sometimes it's full fucking Negan mode. Fuck, bro, this is hard. The scalping shit is fucking simple. It's this holding shit that has complicated everything. It's complicated so much fucking shit, man. Like fucking, man. This is fucking difficult, man. This fucking holding. This shit has fucked my shit up. I had a flow. Everything was working. Now it's just fuck. It's fuck holding. Like fucking shit, bro. This shit is not fucking easy, bro. This peak fucking most degenerate fucking shit I've fucking seen, bro. It's like, hold a fucking trade, bro. I'm holding fucking L's. It's L after L. It's like all the trades were green. Everyone was green, bro. So fuck it, guys. So guys, I'm retiring from the holding green to red, bro. I'm retiring from it, bro. I've had enough. Like, you know what I mean, bro? I've had enough. And look, when we're in a trade, dude, if they freeze the market, we're getting out. Fuck them. You know what I mean? If they start freezing the market, bro, we're getting out. So guys, always remember that. Every time we're in a trade and we're still holding some, right? Bro, if they freeze the market, say we get into a trade, right? They freeze it. This right here, bro, this is what frozen looks like right here. They froze it. Look. Look. It spikes. It retests. It's going up. It's breaking out. Oh, freeze it. Every time they freeze the market, bro, we're getting out. 100%, dude. I'm telling you, if the market freezes, I feel like I'm tossing a coin, bro. At some point, it gets predictable, but by then, we risk all the profit. So the only way we're staying a freeze, bro, is if we're risking green to red. That's the only way. If we're up fucking 30% and the market freezes and then we're only up 10% and we're like, well, fuck it. If it goes down 30%, we'll get stopped out. You know what I mean? So, bro, guys, it's making it challenging, dude. It's the holding shit is making it so fucking complicated, bro, because not every trade is fucking equal. The price action isn't fucking equal. Price action changes all the time. It's complicating everything, man. It's fucking hard, bro. Scalping is so easy. You get in, you set a stop, you set a profit target, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, sometimes 1 to 3 risk to reward, and you accept your fate. Shit is so simple, bro. This holding shit has got my mind in a million fucking directions. The trade ideas are different each time. I'm in a trade, price action changes, I change with it. I try to reinvent the trade, recreate it, try to do something different. The price change, let's do something. Bro, this shit has got me fucked up. We're just gonna have to scalp, bro. I'm sick and fucking tired of it, bro. I'm tired. I'm tired of, wow, we got in, it went straight up. That was amazing timing. And then we hold, it goes right back down. Wow, we got in, it went straight up. That was amazing time. And then, I'm fucking tired of it, bro. I'm just gonna have to come in here and take advantage of these nice little scalps, bro. All this holding shit, it's got me fucked. It's fucked everything for me, dude. Even yesterday, bro, like fucking This was perfect. We went short. Our max risk was at the high of day. It never hit the high of day, so we held the trade. Market sold off. It hit the lows, and then it fucked everyone. We sold 60% at the lows. We held 40%, went green to red, and then it went back to green right here, and then we got the fuck out. Yeah, I sold that too soon, but bro, I could have just sold it all right there too. It's hard, bro. This is hard. This is tough, man. This is not fucking easy, bro. Fuck. I don't, for some people, they do well holding this shit. You know? Well, they're fucking holding because they don't know how to scalp. If they knew how to time something perfectly, they would just, you know? Like fucking, I'm just gonna have to scalp, bro. The holds is not working. It's not working, bro. It's just not working. Every fucking time. It's not working. Fuck. At least when I scalp, I can make a fucking trade that will work. Fucking hell, man. I hold the trade. The trade works, and then it goes to zero. The trade doesn't work, because I was completely wrong. At least if I fucking scalp, I could be wrong about the fucking trend. It can go into my favor. I can take profit, bro. I don't even have to be right. I can sit here and say this is bearish. I don't even have to be fucking right. This shit, you know what I mean, bro? Fucking scalping is just so fucking superior. Fuck. I bought a call. It went down. I didn't even have to be fucking right. This shit dropped. I got it in here. This shit fucking dropped. And then it went higher. I could have said, all right, it dropped. We didn't get fucking stopped out. And then it went a lot more higher than this drop. Fuck it. Let's sell it. Motherfucker, bro. I don't even have to be right. The trend could be bullish. The trend could be bearish. The trend could be fucking, it could be fucking ollish. It could just be in the middle. You know, people were talking about doing fucking credit spreads. They're like, man, I thrive in credit spreads when the market just doesn't do shit. Fucking hell, bro. Guys, this holding shit fucked my flow, bro. So I'm retiring from it, bro. If we have a special idea, fuck it, bro. Maybe once in a while we risk a green to red, but bro, it's a 50% max. Like fucking, the intention from now on is just to scalp what the market gives me to the best of my ability. That's what I'm just gonna do, bro. If it gives me bullshit, well, okay, so here, I'm just gonna show you what that looks like. So you guys just know the intention moving forward with how I'm trading, bro. This is the intention. So, pretty simple. We're gonna go to right here, right? So let's find some bullshit, right? All right, so here we go. So, this is some bullshit. We buy a trade, right? We're not stopped out. It goes against us. Then it goes up nicely. This was a nice increase, bro. This was a nice increase. And that's a bigger increase than the drop. The drop was small compared to the spike. So, when the trade starts working, what we're going to do is either A, set a profit stop, or B, we're just going to sell some, bro. We're going to sell some too soon, and then we'll hold some, right? And then if it goes green to red, you know, if we didn't set the profit stop, say we really like the idea, then our max pain, etc., etc. We'll keep a max pain into 25 to 50%. We're not going to flip green to red. Yeah, we'll get back some gains in certain situations, right? So in terms of what we would call this bullshit, this is the bullshit of the market is amazing. It looks like it's going to work. And then it goes straight back down. That's what we would call peak bullshit. So in order to manage that, what we're going to do is we're going to sell into spikes. We're going to sell some too soon. And we're going to consider profit stops. It depends on the trade, right? But so how do we manage when the market goes in our favor and then it just collapses? How do we manage that? We sell into the move, right? We're going to sell some too soon. Sometimes we sold too soon, but we didn't sell all of it, right? But sometimes we sold some too soon. Sometimes we should have held some and went up higher, right? Well, we're going to do this system. When the move works, we're going to automatically sell some too soon. 100%. You can also set a profit stop, right? Now, let's go over this. So, Market has a big move in our favor. Again, we're going to sell some too soon. Set the profit stops. If you don't want to sell some too soon, bro, just set the profit stops. You just got to understand, guys, look, if you're setting profit stops, you're going to get profit stopped out when a lot of the profit gets wiped out if the market just goes right back down, right? This is why it's very smart to, have a balance and sell some too soon, because sometimes it's just going to collapse and then you'll get profit stopped out with much smaller gains. So guys, create a balance. What I want you to do is I want you to sell some too soon and then think of the rest of the size as you got some profit stop, and then if you want, hold a little bit for green to red. But the max pain is 25 to 50%. You're not going to go green to red on the P&L, right? Now, if the market goes full Deegan like this, we already sold some at the peak, and we might get profit stopped out if we set it. If not, we'll risk some to an extent, right? Now, if the market goes there's two types of degenerates, right? So two types of degenerates. Goes straight up, goes right back down. Goes straight up, goes right back down, goes right back up, and then it just dies. This is the other degenerate, right? So in terms of this degenerate, again, we're going to sell into the fucking spikes, set a fucking profit stop, right? Depending on the situation. But guys, if the market ever just crunches like this, we need to get out of the trade. Whether it's break even, look, if we're in a trade, it looks great, and then we're holding the trade, and all of a sudden the market says, motherfucker, you are tossing a coin. It's either going to go straight to zero, or you're going to get a big move, or it's not going to work at all. If we're ever in one of those trades, we're getting out. And in terms of what those trades look like, bro, they're chop. When the market stops going up and it just chops like this and goes all fucking Deegan, and we get the fucking frequency saying, dude, if I hold this, it's going to go straight to zero. We're just going to get out, bro. We're just going to get out. If you want, you can risk max pain on that. But, bro, best course of action when it comes to tossing the coins is just to get out. No matter how amazing the idea is. It's like, guys, when the market flips and goes chop mode, toss your coins, get out of it, and then get back in when the momentum's good. That's what we're going to have to do, bro. So there's two types of Deegans. There's the Deegan of this went straight up, and then it went right back down, never went back up. And then there's the other Deegan of this went straight up, and then it bottomed towards my entry or close to my stop, and then it just died. It didn't do anything. Two types of different beasts, bro. Two types of different beasts in the market. One beast, it goes straight up, it goes straight down. The other beast, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it decays, it fucks. You have to risk everything. So, two different monsters, bro. Two different monsters in the market. You guys have got to manage your trades, bro. Look, it's either going to go straight up and collapse, straight up and die, right? And then we're going to have the good ones where we're going to sell too soon at times. Sometimes it's just going to keep on going up, bigger gains, holding for the bigger wins. It's like, bro, people can hold for... It's like, dude, I'm just going to focus on scalping because I'm not the motherfucker to begin with to hit the biggest gains anyways. So I don't need them, bro. I'm just going to have to focus on the scalping. I can sit here and try to, hit some moves like this and time things a little bit better, or just, get into these big move situations. But in general, I'm always aiming for the scalps anyways. So fuck it, guys. I'm just going to have to scalp. Everything else has got me fucked up, bro. I enter a trade. The market doesn't want to go straight up. It wants to just either... Dude, this is insanity. They fucked me both ways today. This is ridiculous. Look at how we got fucked yesterday, bro. We waited all fucking day. It crashed, and then it went straight back up. Look at how we got fucked today. Fucking insanity, bro. It went straight up, peak euphoria. Oh my gosh. Is it going to keep on going up? Is it just going to keep on going green and we're going to bank? No. Sometimes one red 1 minute candle sends it right back down. Fucking hell, bro. One red minute candle can send the whole trajectory straight back to down. You know what I mean? It's like they fucked us with the straight up, straight down. And then they fucked us with the straight up chop death And then a big move came, but still not the big move. We was looking for a bigger move than that. That wasn't big enough. We was looking for fucking a 2-point move. So not big enough. But then a move came, and it was puts. So again, no big move. Just like yesterday, the market didn't give us a big move during this time. Fucking degenerate. It's fucking everyone holding. Someone could have bought a put right here at the peak, held it, and then it went right back up, and then it went a little bit lower. Dude, if they were in options, they would have gotten fucking clipped. They could have just sold it right here at a higher price and done better than selling at the lower price. Guys, the market isn't giving big moves every day. I've had enough, bro. I'm done. I retired. Retired. Done. Fuck the big moves. I'm just going to have to be the best scalper on the fucking planet. I tried, bro. I tried. I don't want to participate in something where I have to rely on bigger wins, bro. I would rather rely on, okay, the market, it's degenerate. I'm going to have to scalp it to the best of my abilities. It goes straight up, sell some too soon. Sometimes I'm going to sell too soon. Sometimes it's going to keep on going up. Set a profit stop. Don't go green to red. I'm just going to have to do with what the market gives me, bro. I'm going to have to make best with the fucking degenerate price action and the degenerate moves it has. Sometimes it has no big move. Sometimes it has a big move. Sometimes the price action is degenerate. Sometimes it's not. So I'm just going to scalp, bro. Fuck everything else. Everything else, it got me fucked up. And there's people who do it better. So who am I to try to do it better? They're already doing it better. There's already people who have a certain skill set that I'm just not the best at. And I'm fucking happy that I'm not the best at it because, bro, it seems like fucking hell to just hold something. And like, I'm fucking tired of it, bro. It's so fucking hard to do. It's just not for me, bro. I'm just going to have to scout, bro, because there's just too many variables for something to go wrong. You know? Too many ways for my trade to get fucked. Oh my goodness, bro. It's just not for me, man. It's just not for me, bro. I could just follow someone who's doing it better than me. The fuck? I mean, I know when it comes to scalping, I'm the fucking best. But fucking, bro, we already got G-War holding the trades. Like, it's just not for me, bro. It's just, I tried. It's not for me. So fuck it, man. I'm fucking, I'm calling it here, man. I'm calling it here. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. You know, some people watching the stream, they're green because they took the gains. These were good scalps, you know, especially this one. This one was the best one. This one right here. This went up 40% in a minute, bro. People hold trades the whole day and all they make is 100%. We made 40% in a fucking minute. And then it took us over an hour to give it back. You know? So one superior thing about scalping is it's fast money. You show up, you print, you get the fuck out. If you hold a trade, bro, dude, hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of, now it looks bearish. Now it looks bullish. Oh, they flipped it on us. Now it's degenerate. It's just not for me, bro. It's not for, there's just too many variables. See, it drives me fucking insane because I scalp. That's why. You know, I'm used to scalping. So I'm holding a trade. I'm sitting here saying, fuck, this is bullish as fuck, and I'm still in this. Oh, fuck, this is bearish as fuck. I'm still fucking in this. Oh, this is peak fucking degenerate. I'm going to have to risk it all. So, bro, fuck the holding. We're going to hold it to the best of our abilities. Fuck the green or red. We're going back to our normal shit. You guys go back. You watch all of the streams. We're going back to the normal shit, bro. I've had enough. I tried my best. I'm retiring from the holding green to reds and all this shit. Fuck it. We're going to stay green. I'm fucking done, bro. I'm signing off here. You guys stay green. Losing is a personal choice. And I just need to stick to the scalping. And, bro, I just need to accept the fact that, you know what? If the market's going to give us 1,000,000% gain, fuck it. I'm aiming for 30 to 50%. We leave some runners. We hit a big move on the runners. It is what it is, bro. Sometimes we hit a big move on the runners. You know, sometimes the market goes straight up. We held a good portion because there was no degenerate move. It just kept on going up. Like, you know, sometimes we buy low. We sell some high, get profit stopped out here, or take the risk of holding some, right? Sometimes it just goes straight up and there's no red candles. So look, our biggest wins, percentage-wise, are going to come from no red candles. It just keeps on going up. If there's a red candle, it's a small one. If there's a big one, we say, oh, fuck, we need to get out. If it's just small red candles, we say, you know what, we can hold it for a little bit longer. And then if they start getting bigger, oh, hell no, we're getting the fuck out because we know something goes up, it goes right back down. So, guys, the only way we're going to win big percentage-wise is we get in fucking perfect timing, right? It goes straight up. It chops a little bit. We can hold it to a degree, bro. If it just keeps on chopping, at some point we're going to get out. But if it chops for just a little bit and then it goes higher, fuck it, we're staying in. You know? Or the other one is just this. It goes up, it has a red candle, but bro, if they're not big red candles and the market's just consolidating, chopping up, breaking and retesting, look, if the chart looks perfect, we're going to hold it. But if it looks perfect in this way, where it's big ass fucking green candles and then we get a big red one, we're getting out of the motherfucker, guys. Look, if you got that peak euphoria, premiums are fucking printing, out of the money in the money, dude, one big red candle, get the fuck out. So those are the rules, man. Those are the rules. That's what I'm doing. Fuck everything else. That's what I'm doing. You know? If I want to do something else, dude, I could just follow someone who's doing it better. It's as simple as that, bro. There's people who are doing certain things better than me. I don't have to try, you know what I mean? I have my own expertise. So fuck it. We're just going to scalp, guys. I'm going to call it here. You guys stay green. This stream has clearly taught us, bro, we cannot push the holding. We got to be very laser sharp scalping. I'm done, bro. I'm not. If the market wants to just soar all day, bro, I'm sticking to the rules. If there's a big red candle, I'm getting out. Fuck it. If that's the low and it goes up 1,000,000%, fuck it. If it chops, I can hold it for a little bit, but if it keeps chopping, bro, I'm getting the fuck out. You know, so those are the rules we're playing by, you know, and we're selling into spikes, holding some for bigger moves, and we're not trying to go green to red, bro. Fuck the green to red. That's what we're doing, guys, all right? That's it. Simple as that.